Hello everyone, welcome back to Atrium Kitchen. Today we are making a vibrant and flavorful Methi Chicken Curry. Green, aromatic and unlike your regular chicken curry. Best part, it's simple, cooked in a pressure cooker and packed with flavors. Here's what you'll need. 1 bunch of fresh methi leaves, quarter bunch of coriander leaves, 1 bulb of garlic, an inch of ginger, 5 green chilies, 3 small onions sliced, 3 small tomatoes chopped, a pinch of turmeric, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 kilogram of chicken, salt and oil as needed. First, let's make the star of this recipe, the green masala. Grind the methi leaves, coriander leaves, garlic, ginger and the green chilies into a fine paste. Keep it aside for later. Now, heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a cooker. Add the sliced onions and fry until they are transparent. Sprinkle in a pinch of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and fry for about a minute. Add the chopped tomatoes along with a little salt to help them soften faster. Cook until the tomatoes turn mushy and release their juices. Now, add the ground green masala to the pan. Fry for a minute to bring out the aroma. Pour in 1 cup of water and let it come to a boil. Once the gravy starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon of garam masala and stir well. And then add the chicken pieces and mix well so they are coated with all the masala and let it rest for about a minute. Also add salt as per your taste. Close the cooker lid and cook on high flame for 2 minutes. Then reduce the heat to medium and wait for just 1 whistle. That's right, just 1 whistle. And there you have it, our simple and delicious Methi Chicken Curry, ready to be served hot with rice or chapati. Give this recipe a try and tell us what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and share it with your family and friends. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Atrium Kitchen for more tasty recipes. See you soon with another yummy dish.